Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic for you, growing cherry tomatoes from seeds in containers. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, this is a fantastic way to enjoy delicious cherry tomatoes right from your own home. But before we dive in, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming gardening tips and tricks. To get started, let's talk about the first step, starting your cherry tomato seeds indoors. This allows you to control the early growth stages and give your tomatoes a head start. First, choose your favorite cherry tomato variety. There are so many to choose from, each with its own unique flavor and size. Once your seedlings have grown a few inches tall, it's time to transplant them outdoors. Follow these steps for success. Before transplanting, gradually expose your seedlings to outdoor conditions for a week. This process, called hardening off, helps them acclimate to the outdoor environment. As you can see, we're using old sacks that used to carry rice and sugar. These containers are great for reusing and repurposing. Ensure they have drainage holes at the bottom. For the potting mix, we recommend a 50% mixture of well-rotted manure and garden soil. This provides the right nutrients for your tomatoes to thrive. Now that your cherry tomato plants are in their new homes, it's time to give them the love and care they need to flourish. Regularly feed your container tomatoes with compost and liquid fertilizer. This keeps them well nourished throughout the growing season. Cherry tomatoes can become quite heavy as they fruit. To support their growth and prevent breakage, use bamboo trellises like these. Simply stake them into the containers and tie up your plants as they grow. Finally, the most rewarding part is harvesting your delicious cherry tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes usually take around 60 to 70 days from transplanting to mature fruit. Keep an eye on them as they change color and pick them when they're ripe. There's nothing quite like the taste of freshly picked cherry tomatoes. Use them in salads, pasta dishes, or simply enjoy them as a healthy snack. Well, there you have it, folks. A complete guide on how to grow cherry tomatoes from seeds in containers. It's a rewarding and sustainable way to enjoy fresh, homegrown produce. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow gardeners. And don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration. Thanks for joining us today, and happy gardening, everyone!